Hi folks, welcome back to our video series. We're going to talk about the full screen carousel, which would be part of the Pro package. And we're going to talk about three particular items: changing the heading text, changing the paragraph text, and changing or removing the button link. Let's take a quick look at our sample page here just to see exactly what we're talking about. Here's an example of the full screen carousel. And all it really is, it's a nice big picture in the background, and it expands and contracts to the size of the browser. And we include some heading text, a paragraph, and a button. And of course, once the user decides to view the next slide, it automatically transitions and will keep transitioning until they stop. You can use this for events, for product sales, all sorts of things. It's a great little tool that you can use to get people to really capture their attention, and then by describing a little bit about what's going on and the Learn More button, you can take them to another page in your site. So let's update those three things right now, shall we? Okay, I'm going to jump right into Dreamweaver. I'm going to open up my library and my sliders and my full screen carousel. Let's open up the full screen carousel LBI page right here. There we go. Now to change the text, you can actually do this right in the design view if you want. Just switch over to the design tab and scroll on down, and under each picture you'll see a headline, a paragraph text, and a sign up today link, or a little bit of blue text that is actually used for the button. It actually generates the button once the page once this page is processed and rendered in the actual final result of your template page. When the CSS and the JavaScript is all applied, then these things all come together, and this sign up today is actually displayed as a button, and this is your heading and your paragraph text. And you would change these things just as you would change any normal text or a hyperlink in a regular web page. For example, the headline. To change it, simply select it, type your new headline, and all you need to keep in mind is this. Once you've made your change in the full screen carousel, if for any reason the formatting has gone haywire and you end up with a little bit of regular text, just select it once again, reapply the H1 tag. For the paragraph text here, this is just a regular paragraph text. Just select it and new text goes here. Once again, it should be wrapped in a paragraph format, right? And if it's not, just simply select it and reapply the paragraph tag to it. Now finally, we have the Sign Up Today button. This button actually links to a page in your site. And as you can see by Sign Up Today, that's the text that is displayed in the button. Right here in this example, we have Learn More, and then Browse Gallery, and finally there's the Sign Up Today as you can see it. Right? So we can link that button to a page simply by putting our cursor anywhere on the link or selecting the link and using the Point to File tool. So if we want this page or that particular button to link to our curriculum page, for example, in this template, we just drag and drop it right over there, and now it's linked, it's done. And that's the only item in the carousel that actually links to anything. It's just that particular button. So if you're not, we're not linking the background image or anything like that. So if you do need to link somewhere or have that information link, you could use that button to link to a page in your site. Of course, if you want to change the button name, as you probably will, just select it and new button name, and that's all you have to do. Just type it like a regular bit of text and just make sure that that text is linked to the page that you want it to go to.